Uba Arden Mala Basayomot u MLA ka Voice of the People Party na Nongkram Haswaban Kran ya kapang bat karukom tung no hikai Hadadangiri subdivision lingba ka short duration discussion haka ski basaw ka Dorbar Senrai jonga ying Dorbar thawaan ka jala Meghalaya haka arpu kandai tari unai lar arja arpusaw ula dawa bo Myntri rangba u kondat kisang ma udiban Jubab hi halor kani namar Kwah ban Sngap ya ka Jubab no Myntri badai kmi ya ka tanat puli u rakam e sang ma halor ka nongrem ka jingkano bo rakam udibrew u bakran Pynïapher Jaidbynriew Kumban Syukudau, bahadian katu kat neski hadian ke election MP Lok Sabha Arja Arpusaw, kila sapriang ki video yalap election balai yalap, dau rakam isang ma kabadai, da kaktian garo, ringkat kijing thok penkala sa kaktian English, kabakadau, baula yalap election ban kenno ka Voice of the People Party bakalong persya ya ki Jaidbynriew garo. Halor kajing sapriang kita ki video ki bala dan lupa bat kajing thok penkala sa kaktian English, ka VPP ha kajing yalam uba Dani Lang State Finance Secretary ha ka khat pratari ujali Arja Arpusa kalalaj ban bu da kajing ujor ha office SPCT Shillong upan kach Razghania IPS. Hadian kajing kran uba Arden lay simpan taru da kiwai ki MLA bakun thop yaw Dr. Mukul Sangmau MLA ka AITC na Songsak uba Ronnie Wheeling do MLA ka Congress na Malim bat kiwai pat haswabo rakam e Sangma un ai ka Jubab. Swaban ai Jubab uba Arden ula persya bat markum tau uba Presiden Tensong usembut Myntri rangba ula yang menong kat kum ki kendon penyat Dorbar omsya ban keno shimat Yanuru usembut lampang utimuti di Shira ula ai karai ban pak Jubab baik hau rakam bat kum kadak ke jing persya ki MLA ke VPP kila pet no na yang Dorbar.
Short duration discussion. I have received the short duration discussion tabled by Sri Arden Miller Basawmet MLA. Under Rule 50 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business to the manner in which teachers were appointed in the Jaidbynriew subdivision.
Sir, I would like to thank you for allowing me to raise this issue under a short duration discussion. The manner in which teachers were appointed. And before I proceed, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, yes. As I've mentioned in the start, I would like through you, sir, to request either the Chief Minister or one of the Deputy Chief Minister to address this issue, sir. I will not listen to the Education Minister because the matter against him, sir, is so serious. It attracts Section 196 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. So, sir, if the Chief Minister or one of their Deputy Chief Minister is not addressing this issue, I'm not going to listen.
As per our practice.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, for me, let me refer the rule as per Rule 300. And I would like also to refer to Rule 2791 and Subpara 2, which says, a member while speaking shall not make a personal charge against a member. So I thought we'll allow first the Honorable Minister concerned to reply, but since the Honorable Member from Nongkrem constituency, Arden Basawmet, stood up and also reacted to this, I would like to first of all, sir, put things in order because the charges is so personal. So therefore, sir, better we expunge that line. Wherever he already used, because the
he made a public statement, sir. It is not a personal statement. He made a public statement against us. So the matter is so serious. So if we feel that the government can go ahead and allow him to reply, we are going to walk out, sir. We are not going to compromise. Sir, we don't want to see that there will be a clash between these two communities. His statement, sir, his speech is promoting enmity between the Khasis and the Garos. I don't think we should allow this kind of speech to be encouraged, sir.
Yes, sir, I would like to say like this. I think in the
it is not a personal. It is not a personal. It is a public speech, sir, where he made against us.
I think I would request the honourable member to listen to me also. I think in the statement where he made, the honourable member from Nongkrem constituency has mentioned that FIR has been filed. Okay. If FIR has been filed, so let the course of law carry on. But you bringing here inside the house without any
Because he is an MLA.
conviction.
We bring
or
it inside the house
it's
because
only
he is an
the
MLA.
allegation. So sir, why should we bring in this issue inside this August
There
house?
should not be no-
That
there
is
should
my point.
not
sir.
be any
so
immunity.
Because see, when we are here inside the house, let us be being governed by the rules on this. Sir. This is my only concern. So I would request you, sir, that the statement made by the honourable member, because this is a personal charge, personal charge against the member who happens also to be the minister in the government. Sir.
As per practice, whenever any subject discussion took place regarding one department, the minister in charge of that department concerned will make a reply. So I allow Education Minister to make a reply.
Let's walk out. Yes, no. Should we listen?
Haswaban Jubab, Myntri ke Tanat Puli, kat bagi MLA ke VPP kidang mi na yeng Dorbar ula ong. Bagi bria ki belanang la start Kim Juye Shaw ya dat. Myntri ula ya chakmat ban Jubab ya kate kapang, wat la MLA uba wanra e ka short duration discussion ula pet not na yeng Dorbar.
Deputy Speaker, sir. Educated people never fight. Therefore, we should be educated and should be respected, and we are the good citizens.
Hadin balawai ka jingata ya ka short duration discussion ulampang ka yeng Dorbar u Thomas A Sangma ula aya ka rai baka jingkra uba adan na yeng Dorbar persya yaw Myntri berikmi ka Tanat Puli la weng na ka jingtho ha yeng Dorbar.
Honorable members, during the course of his speech on this short duration discussion, Sri Adan Miller Basomed, MLA, and mover of this short duration discussion, had used certain words which are inappropriate and unparliamentary, as also pointed out earlier by the Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Parliamentary Affairs. I also feel that this is not appropriate, and such unparliamentary remarks to be in the proceedings of the House. Therefore, the unparliamentary remarks or words used by the Honourable Member will be expunged from the proceedings of this House. This is my ruling.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.